Hi there, students. Obiter dictum, a noun, and the plural, obiter dicta. Okay, this is legal English. Obiter dictum is an incidental remark. A remark made by a judge that is not essential to the case that is being tried. Let's see. Obiter dictum. In common law in English, a judgment is made up of two elements. We have ratio decidendi, which is what the law says. So the law says theft is illegal. And then the other element is obiter dicta, the things that the judge thinks or the things that the judge says that are not directly related to this legal issue, but they are to do with it. They're observations, they're perhaps analogies. So the judge might say, this is similar to a situation where it's not the same situation, and this would be obiter dicta. Okay, this is something that he says. It's like a remark or an observation where he says this is an analogy, it's an illustration. An argument similar to this is used in another type of law, and things that are obiter dicta, or the obiter dicta of a judge, are things that you can omit from a trial or a decision because they're not crucial, although they have influence on the case, because you look at other things and you compare them. But obiter dicta, these are extra things said by the judge about a particular case. Okay, so obiter dicta, something that it's not a direct point of law, but it could be a point of law that is analogous, is similar, has some bearing, but is not not a precedent. Yeah, it doesn't have persuasive authority. And then you could also use this obiter dictum to just say a passing remark, a passing observation. So we were talking about the poetry, and I said, obiter dicta, I really love the way you have all of your books presented. So it's a passing remark. Yeah, we were discussing poetry, but obiter dictum, something that's outside, it's an aside, something said in passing. But most commonly this is used for law. It's for what a judge says. Although, yeah, as a comment, as a remark, a side comment, a passing comment, obiter dictum, and the plural, obiter dicta. But normally it's the extra things that a judge says. It's not specifically part of the law governing a case, but it is relevant in society, in other legal matters. It's a way of looking at it as well. So, obiter dictum, this is legal English. 7, informality. Semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then the origin is Latin. Obiter, in passing, and dictum, something that has been said, something that is said. And so dictum singular, dicta plural. Normally legally it's Orbitum Dicta, the various different side issues that are relevant but they're not essential. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Obiter Dictum, Obiter Dicta.